Did you know that you can become the owner of an already built PLR website delivered the same day with hundreds of ready-to-use PLR digital products already installed on it? This is a great solution for anyone who wants to start generating money online in less than 24 hours reselling private label rights and master resell rights product. Rick Landry is the only creator and official inventor of the PLR franchise. Be sure your PLR franchise was purchased from the PLR ebook provider website, as many people copy us, such as plrhustle and plr ebook supplier. These websites are not authorized for resale, and if you buy your PLR franchise from someone else, a complaint will be issued and your website will be removed. To be sure of what I'm saying, simply do a domain age checker on Google and you'll see that our website named PLR ebook provider was on the market first before these competitors who are trying to copy us. Be careful and buy your PLR franchise from PLR ebook provider. The link is in the description and in the bio. Many people copy what Rick Landry does because everything he creates and offers is a success and the facts speak for themselves. Today, 70% of the PLR sellers who own a PLR website bought it from Rick Landry. The link is in the description and bio. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.